everyone, Anke here with a new layout and process video for HipKit Club featuring the July 2024 HipKits. Today I show you creative ways to incorporate our exclusive stamps and dies in your projects. I use the July 2024 Pocket Life stamp set, the mini phrase stamp set from the July embellishment kit, the July 2024 Stitchable Butterflies metal die set and the July 2024 palm tree die set. First I cut out flowers and leaves from the Summer Sizzle and the Holiday Vibe papers. Then I cut lots of palm leaves from the Essential Solids Thrive cardstock, which is included in the July cardstock kit, using the July 2024 palm tree metal die set. I also cut out some butterflies from the Summer Sizzle Sunset paper using the July 2024 Stitchable Butterflies metal die set. I layer the butterflies and stitch along the pierced middle line. Now I arrange the palm leaves, the fussy cut flowers and the butterflies on my layout. I frame my photo with one of the wood veneer die cuts which I included in the July main kit and place it on my page. I also use wood veneer letters from the same pack for my title. Then I add one of the cardstock layered foam phrase stickers, also included in the July main kit. Now I pierce holes and add some hand stitching. I continue embellishing the layout with some puffy stickers, which you can find in the July embellishment kit. Now I choose stamps from the July Pocket Life stamp set, stamp on white cardstock, cut it out and add it to my page. Then I choose stamps from the mini phrase stamp set and stamp on one of the label die cuts from the tag and label die cuts pack, which you can find in the July embellishment kit. I make a cluster of palm leaves, add the stamp label and place this cluster in the bottom right corner of my layout. add another cluster to the upper left corner and add small fussy cut flowers to each cluster, and I add a small fish die cut. I finish with some Nuvo drops from my stash. This is my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.